ঠিক আছে তুমি রেকর্ডিং দেখো পরে আমি তোমার দেখছি কি
Hi, welcome. Just going through the newspaper. So many things about the lockdown and an entire world open up. The newspapers open up an entire world to us. And well, do we know that there is an entire world which the newspaper we can make through the newspapers? Well, this is just to remind you from my last session. Newspapers, we did a wonderful craft by using newspapers as our main um, ingredient. So now what nowadays what we are noticing is with the lockdown, with people not going out of their houses, so the environment and everything is much more cleaner, much more healthier, and so we have always emphasized on keeping our environment clean, keeping our surroundings clean, and we have emphasized on reusing materials, reducing the use of materials, reusing them and recycling them. And newspaper is one such article which can be used, recycled and reused again and again. So last time we had I had shown you how to use the newspaper, how to use it to make different stuff, and for that I had shown you how to make these paper strips like these out of the newspaper. And then I had shown how to make with these newspaper strips, I had shown you how to make these coils, these newspaper coils. And then I had with these newspaper coils we had done some lovely things like these coils. न्यूज़पेपर ट्यूब से मैंने ऐसे कॉइल्स बनाए थे, और उस कॉइल्स से हम लोगों ने वी हैड लर्नड हाउ टू मेक अ प्रोडक्ट, a very innovative product like this photo frame. If you have watched my last session, you would have seen that we had made a newspaper photo frame. Now it can many things can be made out of the newspaper. Now there are lots and lots of creative stuff which the newspaper can I mean, you can use newspaper and newspaper tubes to make such innovative stuff. But before we go into more complicated stuff, I would take you back to I'll give you a maths example. When we for example, my daughter, who is in class 5 now, she was struggling with percentage and ratio and proportion and everything. So what I told her was that Tanisha, you need to go back to your basics always. Your basic concepts have to be very strong for you to take things forward. So for maths basic में क्या है? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If you are thorough with all these, your tables, your addition, subtractions, then you can go into more complicated stuff. So the same thing I would say with this newspaper art is that for today's session we are going to learn a few basic stuff, basic things about how to make the newspaper. We have learned about the newspaper coil last time, but there is a different way of making newspaper coils, and out of that newspaper coil a different item can be made. Now what I'm going to show you today is we did newspaper coil of this size, and we did a newspaper coil of this size, and of this size and this size. But this newspaper coil, the perforation here was very small because we had used a toothpick to make the coil. For those who are watching my live for the first time, welcome. And if you want to know how these coils and how these newspaper tubes were made, please go back to my last session and watch my last session so that you can get an idea of what I am talking about in this session. Though I will be going because these are the very basics, and I will be on and off talking about these basic stuff. So to know about this, you need to watch my first live. Now today I am going to show you how to make a different type of coil which has a bigger perforation in the center, which is like this. And we will then move on to make a square coil, square shape. And then we will in turn join these squares like this to make something like this. And with that I will show you how an article can be made which can be used. Now first of all, let me show you how to make this kind of a coil. Now again, similar newspaper tube which I had shown in my last session. I will now again focus my camera onto the work. You will be hearing my voice. Just a little up. Yeah, that's it. I hope it's visible. Okay. Just hide the comments. Okay, now again I will be flattening this newspaper tube that I have taken. I will flatten it just like last time. Now last time we had used a toothpick to make the coil, but here the perforation is much bigger. So there are things, and again these craft that we do, I try as much as possible to use things which are all available at home, readily available at home. So for this, last time we had used a toothpick, a skewer, or a spaghetti stick. But this time, to make this kind of coil which has a bigger perforation at the center, we can use a nail polish bottle. The nail polish that I'm wearing right now. We can use a nail polish bottle, we can use a Fevicol bottle. Now, and depending upon the size of the perforation that you want in the center, you can use a bigger bottle, and even a thicker, a bottle which has a bigger circumference. So depending upon the article that you're making, you can use different types of items. Now for this, we are going to first start making the coil. We are going to take this and this. We are going to place this here like this. We are going to put some glue every time this dries up. We are going to put some glue here, right here. Just spread it a little, and we are going to turn this around and stick. So you get this kind of and you're going to turn this around. Actually, this can be done here. It is better so that you get the support of the table as well as the bottle. And you turn a little bit and apply a little glue like this. Turn a little bit, stick it, and apply glue. So you can turn the bottle around and keep on sticking. Little by little, glue, turn around, stick. Glue, turn around and stick. Now why am I emphasizing, why am I putting glue every time? You can think कि एक बारी में पूरा सारा coil कर दो तो हो जाएगा, but that glue will secure it at every turn. It will secure it and the coil will not open. Otherwise the coil will tend to open and it will not be secure and hard. So now again, stick, again stick. Now to get a coil of this thickness, we need to use 2 newspaper tubes. So right now I have used 1 newspaper tube and got a thickness of this. If I use another newspaper, I can again put this back and continue from where I left the last. Stick the newspaper again here. So I put glue here, stick the paper here like this, and continue. Like this. Is it visible? Can you just put this a little bit more towards the table? Yeah, okay. So it's like glue and stick. You can go a few rounds and then stick, and then a few rounds again and then stick. Be generous in the amount of glue that you are using so that your product will be very secure and you'll not have to worry about it opening later or becoming soft, because Fevicol as it is makes the paper very hard. So the more you use generously, the better your product outcome will be. Now see, I have got the required thickness that I wanted and the space. Okay, thanks Moitri, thanks. Now I said that we will be doing I'll be showing a round coil and with a bigger gap, and this square. Now the square you can do with a square base, either a nail polish bottle, or you can use a box like this. You can use it to wind the coil. You can use smaller, anything that you have, any square object that you have at home, you can use. So for this I have used this nail polish bottle, and it's the same process. So I'm not going to show it once again because it's just the difference is the shape and not any other process. So the process is the same to make a square box like this. Now what I will show you is, last time we made a product where I had joined these coils. I had made round coils without any space in between, and we had just stuck them together. How I had stuck them? I had stuck them by putting glue here and joining them, putting glue and joining them adjacent to each other. Now here I can do the same thing, but that will not be secure enough because of the space, because of the gap here. So they tend to, you know, if you push them or if you place them in while working also, you might change the shape if you are applying pressure while working. So for that we need to join them. We need to use glue to join them, but we also need to use connectors. Now connectors, what are these connectors? These connectors are small newspaper tubes. Now you'll think, oh God, I have to make such small newspaper tubes. No, you don't have to make such small newspaper single tubes. You can use these tubes. These tubes can be flattened and you can fold them, and you can just, can I have the scissors please? You can just cut them from the center. I think I put the scissors here. Just check. Is it here? Yeah. Thank you. So just fold them, cut them. Again, fold them and cut. Like this. Now, there's a difference between, now see what happened. I had cut, मैंने cut किया, but ये खुल गया. This has opened. So अब क्या करें? Every time you will cut and stick. No, you don't need to do that. So for this not to open, what you need to do is, the newspaper tube that we make will have to be made in a different way. What we did last time was, when we made the newspaper tube, we took a strip of paper, we took the knitting needle, we placed the knitting needle at an angle of around approximately 45 degrees, which you can see this in my last live. I had shown how to make a newspaper tube. ऐसे करके हम लोग इसको टिप में यहाँ पे glue लगा के we made this tube. Now, and we stuck it, and this is how the newspaper tube was made. But in this case, we are not going to do this. We are going to take one strip, and what we are going to do is we are going to put glue along this side and this edge. This edge and this edge will have a thin line of glue. I'm going to put that now to bend. I'm going to apply the glue like this, ऐसे thin line में, ऐसे, like this, and I'm going to just smudge it a little, and now your paper is ready to be coiled into a newspaper tube. Now you take the same process, you take the needle, you coil it, turn it around, and your newspaper tube is ready to be turned into a connector. Now what is the difference between the newspaper tube I made and यहाँ पे क्या है, edge में glue नहीं है, so when you're cutting the edge is opening, but यहाँ पे that entire edge is stuck, so it will not open when you cut it. So now I'm going to flatten this, I'm going to fold, and I'm going to cut. I'm going to fold again, and I'm going to cut this way. So now from one newspaper tube I have got 4 connectors, 4 little tubes which did not open. Okay, now how do we use these connectors to connect our squares? Now I want to show you how I have used the connector to connect the squares. Now I have connected, can you see? I have stuck each square together with glue and used a connector to connect them. Now these will secure it more, hold them, just like how the rings of the chain are entwined together. So that is how these hold it up and buckle it up together. So that is what a connector does. This is the job of the connector, and I'm going to show you how it is to be placed. Now first of all, what you can do is, you don't want this to be wobbly and keep on moving. So first thing would be to put glue here and stick these two. Stick these two and let them remain for some time. And then you take one connector. Is it visible? The table? Okay. Then you take one connector, apply glue on it. Don't apply too much glue, because while you're working it can get really messy. You can secure it later with a little bit more glue. So itna sa glue laga lijiye connector pe, and then you take this which you've already stuck and you put the connector inside like this and hold and turn it this way and secure it with the connector. Now this is not this is getting wobbly because it has not been stuck initially. What you are supposed to do is that you're supposed to stick the two squares together and leave it to dry so that it is stuck nicely, and then when you're connecting with the connector it does not move and it helps you do the work properly. Now, like I said, don't put too much glue in the beginning. You can always secure it later with more glue, and you stick this like this. You apply a little bit of pressure and allow it to stick. Okay, thanks Maithili. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Now the same thing what you can do is you can do with the round coils as well. I can show you with the round coils. What?
This is very important.
Now this thing is sticking it first initially is very important, so that it is easier for you to work, easier for you to handle it properly. Again, I've applied glue on the connector. It looks like a small litmus paper. See, there are so many innovative stuff which you can do with a newspaper. I will be sharing a lot of things which I have myself made. I did not know that a newspaper can open an entire world of creativity for me. I have been doing this for a long time, and I have myself learned quite a few things myself. This tip that I said about the connectors not opening if you use a normal tube. I have seen many people just say that you can use a normal newspaper tube, but while working with the newspaper tube, I've realized they were opening. So these are things which I have learned myself, and I try and do while I am working. So this is how you connect it again with a connector. It will take, now when it takes, another tip that I'm going to give you is that when you are using this, I mean the sticking thing, and you can't keep on holding on to one these two coils and wait for it to dry. So for that, again, household stuff, I have my daughter's clutch which you can use, and you can just hold it this way, and you can keep it for it to dry. And the second one, again, you can take I have a few of her clutches which she's given me for this work. Thank you, Tanisha. You can use it to hold. Another thing which you can use are clothes dry करने के लिए जो clips रहते हैं, that you can use. So this is how you connect two coils, circular coils and square coils. Now we'll leave them to dry. I have made now when you are making this kind of a project where you are using squares and coils to connect, always do them in small numbers. Now if you're making a big project, like I'll show you what we are making today. I'll be showing you this. So here we have 4 by 3, so 12 in total. Now I made this. Then every time you are going to take 2, connect, keep, 2, connect and keep. You make the second row like that, you make the third row like that, and then you connect the first row with the second row by again sticking and connecting here. Again the third row you stick to the first and second row. After it dries, connect it with connectors. So the entire thing is totally secure and it will not break or come off. Now what we can do is, what can we make out of this? Now this can be made into a table mat, a placement mat, where you can keep maybe a flower pot or something like this. Like for example, I have a whole lot of sellotape which I use for my craft work, so it can be kept like this. So I just have this a little up, yeah, so it can be kept like this. Anything, a bowl of fruits on the table, you can make this as big as possible. You can some people also use it as a stick things below and stick it on the floor as a like a carpet where they place a table. So that can be, it's not like a carpet but showpiece jaisa carpet they can use, on which a table can be kept, or maybe a small stool can be kept. So what we'll do is, now we can't leave the edges unsmooth like this. So what we'll do is, we will make a border. We will make a border like this. Now see the edges, you can't, here the edges are crooked and you can see like unfinished kind of work. So here what we are going to do is we are going to secure it more by making these borders. Now how are we going to make these borders? Simple again. We are going to take more newspaper tubes. We are going to flatten them. And last time, if you remember, I had shown how newspaper tubes can be connected together to make them longer. So what we do is we put glue here and we take the other end of the newspaper tube and insert it inside and stick it. So this becomes longer. Now while working, this kind of length is good enough. It's a good working length, because if you make it longer, then it becomes, it starts folding. So what we are going to do is we are going to apply glue on the edges and we are going to stick this newspaper tube as a border like this. We are going to take this, and it is better that you use the clutch to stick it. Where is the pink clutch? Okay. So it is better that you start off by using the clutch so that it get the paper gets a good hold and sticks well. So I'm using all my daughter's clips right now. That is what is available with me in the lockdown period. Otherwise you get these wooden clips in the market also, which are specially made for these craft work. You can buy them after the lockdown. Hopefully comes to an end and the virus leaves us forever for good. So we are going to, this is how, and you can make the border as thick as you want. Now while circling, you keep on changing the clip. Now this is, see, this is stuck, so you can remove the clip and put them here. So as and when you circle around, you can keep on putting the clips. So then, now preferably the border's thickness should match the thickness of the squares inside. So then it will look like, proportionate. This is what I have done here as well. If you can see, the thickness of the square and the border matches. Now, so this is how you make this, and this is like a coaster or a table mat, placement mat. Now another shape which you can make, now today since we are just doing basics of newspaper coil and newspaper tube, so I would like to show you various things which you can make with these only. Like for example, if you take these 3 coils, I have these 3 coils. This is the bigger size of the coil that I have made out of the 2. The smaller ones are these. Now if I take a bigger size, I stick them again together like this in a triangular shape, like this. Can you just, I hope it is visible. Okay, now stick them like this and just wait for this to, now here you can't use a clip, so you have to just leave them to dry. And while they are drying, let me just get the workplace a little empty. I've always mentioned this when to kids last time in my session, and I believe in it very much myself, that you should keep your workplace empty so that while you're working there is no confusion and you get your stuff handy. So I like my workstation to be clear. So okay, they have dried up. Now we use another newspaper tube. Now when you are doing any kind of newspaper project like this, ensure 2 things. One, you have quite a lot of these strips cut well in advance, and a lot, like this entire project that I did was just 1 newspaper. that one newspaper gave me almost, I think, 500 strips, 500 tubes, more than 500. So always before you're starting any project, ensure that you have newspaper strips ready and the newspaper tubes ready. Now once you have the tubes, you can flatten them, you can use them as a coil, you can make several things out of them. So if you have lots of them in between a project, now when you're making, newspaper tubes ko khatam ho gaye, and then again you cut the newspaper, you cut the strips, so that's a long process. So keep these things handy all the time. Now these are dried well and stuck properly. Now what we are going to do is, we've got a triangular shape. Now we are going to entwine this newspaper strip and around this. So we are going to take it like this, and every time the newspaper strip touches the, so put glue where the newspaper tube is touching the coils. So here at every point, so that you have it secured like this and you get the shape. Now this I will show you another variation of the same thing that I'm doing. Now this is the first turn. Now I'm doing a second turn. Now for this I will need another newspaper tube, and for that, before the newspaper, don't stick the entire newspaper and then go look for another coil to join. Before you stick the entire thing, leave this at least about an inch of this, and then take the other strip of the newspaper and stick it by applying glue inside. And sometimes the perforation, the size does not match the size of this. So what you can do is, it's okay, what you can do is, you can just fold this into a thinner sharp edge and put it inside. So it will go inside smoothly and it will get stuck. Now you need to flatten this like this, and apply glue. So you can apply glue to the entire strip at one go and maintain the pressure, so that and give pressure, hold and give pressure on the coil, not here. So that will maintain a good shape of the object that you're trying to, the shape that you're trying to achieve. A triangular shape here we are going to make, so it will keep the shape proper. Now I put glue. Now this thickness again, you can here, since it is a coil without any gap, here the thickness can be according to your choice. It can be thin, it can be, it will depend upon what you are making out of this. Now you can make this, you can make another triangle and stick it around, so that can, you know, make a bigger triangle. You can take more coils, make it into a pyramid shape, and then again make a triangle. So this can be small coasters, like, you know how you have a dressing table where you have these nail polishes. Now you want to keep these nail polishes on different, so you have this. So lots of things you can make out of these coiled newspaper strips. Now another thing that I want to mention is that newspaper is paper after all. It you might be thinking, what is the durability of this? How will it remain like this? How it will not मतलब अगर बारिश के टाइम में ये तो मतलब it will become soft, it will lose its shape. But there's a solution to every problem, right? Especially now during this lockdown, how we are leading our lives shows that, you know, we can also lead a life where we can stay at home and yet find a solution. So there's a solution to this problem as well. The solution is again Fevicol. हर मर्ज की दवा. Fevicol what we will do, how Fevicol helps to harden this, how Fevicol helps to make it waterproof, I will say in my next session, because I will be showing you how to make, we have made this as a table mat, but I will be showing you how to make another article with this same thing, but we will need a few more of these. Now after we make an article with these, I will show you how to secure them and how to make it waterproof and harden it with Fevicol. It will not just be Fevicol, the things added to it, that I will show you in my next session, because एक ही session में अगर सब कुछ बोल देते हैं तो mind gets confused. But for the time being, what you guys can do is, you guys can practice making newspaper rolls, you can practice making newspaper coils, and you can make practice. The more you practice, the more free your hand gets, and easier it is and the faster you can make. So we'll leave you guys to have fun with newspaper craft till my next session. Stay tuned. Bye.